I look like... Do my teeth look whiter? Yep. I'm a bad bitch. Hi guys, listen, it's been a long time since I filmed a video and this feels kind of weird. Obviously, as you can see, I suffer with acne, as if it wasn't in the title and the thumbnail of this video, just in case you didn't know. Okay, hey, me editing here. I just want to mention, I'm not suffering with acne, okay? It's a little setback, but I'm not suffering. As you all know, I just turned 21, you know, living my best life. If you didn't, check out that video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys, and I'll leave a link in the description or up here in one of the corners. So you had no excuse not to check it out. I just went through a very stressful situation, and that situation turned really sticky really fast and all over my face. I changed my diet. I went no dairy, no gluten, in that order. I eliminated all foods that had high inflammatory properties. I tried pills, face creams, washes, you name it, I tried it. I am kind of glad that it happened during quarantine, but I've actually been dealing with acne for almost 2 years now. I would say around 2018, I started getting really bad acne. I went to a dermatologist and he prescribed me medication. I went on like this whole natural kick and I just wanted to figure out what was going on the inside. But I'm seeing my dermatologist again now and trying to figure out, you know, what my best option will be. I also wanted to bring you guys along in my journey to see what's worked for me, what hasn't worked for me, what has worked for you guys, be able to connect with you guys a little bit and, you know, what's soon to come, because your girl, she's got some tricks up her sleeve, all right? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video and you guys can stay tuned. Today, not only are we giving ourselves a quarantine makeover, upon request, she commented on my last video and wanted me to show y'all how I keep up with my hair. As you saw in my last hair video, I chopped off all of my hair. I don't want to cut it too trim. In that video, I cut my own hair. So luckily, my mom's a hairdresser, so she was able to work her magic and fix any of the mistakes that I made, which honestly, I wasn't really that bad. I think I did a pretty good job. So she will be helping me with my hair today. I'm gonna pamper myself, make myself feel cute. We are going to treat ourselves today. It's time to get back to those bad bitch vibes. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a bad bitch, you a bad bitch, we all bad bitches, okay? Sorry guys if you watch. You a bad bitch too. So today, we got a lot of work to do. So let's get our shit together. First, we need to do something with this hair. Are you ready? Let's go. Voiceover taken over. Why was that weird to say? So as I was saying earlier, some of you may not know, but my mom's a hairdresser and I asked her, I said, Mother, how can I get my hair to grow faster? Well, you just need to cut your dead ends off and your hair will grow. So that's exactly what we're doing. She started to trim it just a little bit at a time, you know, just with a little nibble, and then decided, nah, it's still dead. She's jumping ahead of me now, but we decided to spice it up with some layers. So as you can see, she's sectioning off my hair, starting from the crown of my head to the bottom, taking that section of hair, and boom, giving it a little trim. She continues doing that throughout my entire head, but I'll just go ahead and let the clip roll. Satisfying. Ooh, look at that transition. Okay, so up next is the face mask. All you need is honey and turmeric and something to mix it up in. I use this mask to calm down the inflammation on my skin. I added a few drops of essential oils to act as a preservative and add a few extra benefits. And it also makes it smell really good. I also noticed that the turmeric adds a little bit of a texture to the face mask, so it acts as a mild exfoliant, which is perfect for my sensitive skin. I like to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but be careful because this stuff stains. Okay, I need to do something about these not so pearly whites. I really wanted to get the coconut ones, you know, the ones that have been going crazy on social media right now, but I like to use stuff that I already have, and these white strips just weren't cutting it for me. So I'm using this whitening kit that I got from Smile Direct Club. All right, do my teeth look whiter? Time for our nails. I don't like to get my fingies done just because I don't like the UV rays and, you know, getting cancer. Like I said, I like to take the more natural route of things as much as possible. No, I'm not perfect. I did used to get my nails done like every 2 weeks or every other week, you know, with the acrylics and shit. And of course, my extra ass always had to go overboard. I had to get, you know, like the gel, all of that, because I had to be extra and get my money's worth. But I've come to realize that as much as it makes me feel like a bad bitch, what makes me feel most like a boss is when I keep my coins in my pocket. And that sound wet? However, like I said, I'm not perfect, so today we're gonna be doing my toes. Now, I don't want to gross you guys out, so so now that our nails are done, let's put it all together and see if any of these improvements has changed anything. All right, let's see what bad bitch we can turn into. Well, there's my transformation, guys. Yep, I'm a bad bitch. It's a little windy right now. I don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve. I didn't want to put on any makeup because I feel like I'm a bad bitch from the inside. That's the difference. I wish the wind would stop blowing. I didn't put on pounds of makeup because I feel like I needed to look cute. I look cute, acne and all, I look cute. And so do you. If you're dealing with something that's making you feel physically ugly, focus on what's in here. Listen, we all have insecurities. I'm gonna go right back in my room, put on some baggy joggers on, a baggy t-shirt, probably some slippers or something, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna still feel cute. You know why? Because I feel cute from in here. And I still have insecurities. I still look in the mirror and wonder, damn, what can I fix about myself? What can improve? What is this next tab that I don't? You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you can only be happy because you want to be happy, because you are happy with yourself. Moral of the story, don't let society control you. Just know your self-worth and be comfortable in your own skin. Don't let people affect you. Be confident in who you are. Just listen to yourself and don't feed yourself negativity, because what you feed to yourself is what you're gonna get out of the world. I hope I'm not rambling, guys. I just really want to get this message across. Everybody's going through something. Everybody has a stress in their life. Everybody thinks they got their taken care of, and then boom, something happens. Life likes to laugh when you're having fun. Just have fun and laugh with them. There's no reason why somebody could be making fun of you if you're laughing with them, right? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. I'm really just trying to make a positive impact in this world. And if I could do it with you, one step at a time, girl, we in this together. All right, take my hand, because you're not going anywhere. Whew. I'm about to end this video because my hand is getting tired. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, because I would love to see you guys here in my next video. Comment down below of what you would like to see next, and you never know, you might just be shouted out in my next video. Peace out.